This is the all-new Audi Q4 e-Tron electric SUV. The driver and passengers experience entirely new dimensions in the new Audi Q4 e-Tron. The spaciousness of the electric compact SUV far exceeds the current class boundaries, and offers an amount of space comparable to that offered in the full-size class. The new steering wheel generation with touch operation represents the new electric model's course for the future. In terms of stowage compartments, the Audi Q4 e-Tron scores high with a total volume of around 25 liters, 0.9 cu-foot, and the bottle holders in the top section of the doors are a further highlight. The airy and progressive interior design allows customers to experience the new technology era. The electric offensive at Audi continues to pick up steam. The Q4 e-Tron follows the large SUV models Audi e-Tron and e-Tron Sportback, as well as the sporty e-Tron GT. The Q4 e-Tron plays a key part in the brand's electrification strategy. It is being launched in a particularly attractive and fast-growing market segment T, the class of compact SUVs. For Audi customers, it offers an entry into the world of electric premium mobility at an attractive price.